that the relatively easy part of the day is done. I've completed practice, done the meditation, you know, the good stuff. About a week ago, I noticed that when I started the engine that there was no water coming out of the back of the boat, which meant that it was probably the impeller, which is a little propeller thing that sucks water in and cools the engine down. Looks like this. Time to check the impeller, which means getting back here, turning off the water, and undoing the hoses. Get these little bolts off the back here. Except when I took it apart, the impeller was in impeccable condition, which means that there's something wrong with one of the hoses in the back of the boat. So now I've got to go back, take apart the hoses, and trace where the water is not coming out of, because it's getting sucked in correctly, it's just not going anywhere. So now we've got a mess to clean up. Yeah, corrosion. Take a look. Luckily, got tape, got an extra zinc, so we can do this job easily. Oh, you're so beautiful.